I might go a little slower.
Go on your favorite.
Okay, determine the value. So I need you to figure this number out first. What exponent? What exponent? That's always the thing with logs, right? What's the exponent?
3 to the 3.
3 to the what?
3 cubed. Sorry.
So that is a 3. Okay, what's the exponent on this expression? So your brain is doing this process. 9 to the what? Makes 3. 1/2. And your answer is just 1/2, because all I want is the exponent. Right? When you answer a log, it's just, boom, this number. This is the exponent number. Solve algebraically. So if this is a log equation that is separated, what should I do as my start?
Multiply it.
Put them together. So if they separated with adding, they would have been times together. Rules, we can go back and forth with the rules. We can separate, we can combine them, right?
Yep.
Then, this is a log equation, so what should we do with logs?
Make it exponential.
Make it exponential. So the base is 3, the exponent is 1, and the result is, you okay, I'm doing this out? I foiled that in the same time, is that okay? So now this is grade 11. What do you want to do to solve an equation?
You're going in an economic class.
0,
This is missing.
zeroed out. So I'm going to minus 3. And then factor. And if it doesn't factor, I have a formula, but this one should factor
When you factor,
5 and 1.
you factor $2 and come on. Let me get a question. If there's factoring,
So x equals 5, x equals 1.
Instant control.
So with log equations, your numbers you have to check here. Is 5 okay? Yes, because 5 minus 4 is positive, 5 minus 2. Is 1 okay?
No.
No. 1 minus 4 is negative. That's out.
I like this. I like logs. Actually good on that.
Okay, this is a log, so we are going to glue it back together.
See that?
Log A, glue it. It got all separated with rules. I need you to glue it back together. So the 1/2 moves back on top. The subtraction divides. Okay, and then it's just a number. So 36 to the 1/2 is the same as the square root of 36, which is 6, divided by 2, which is 3.
that's $3.
And it's $3.
3 economics.
My economics class would suggest it would be A.
No, she's my professor, so no.
Okay, what strategy do I go with here? Common base, yep. So what's the number I can write at the bottom of each of these? 5.
Would you just register, or are you not doing it?
I don't know.
Probably soon, okay?
I'm gonna be honest.
Okay, 125 can also be the same as a 5
To the
cubed. And then after, I'm going to put 3x plus 4.
You're gonna be in any same classes?
Which one?
Okay.
1/5 could be also a 5 to a -1. And then there's an x yet. So at this stage, I'm actually just dropping the bases completely off. And I'm going to say this exponent equals this exponent. So 9x plus 12 equals negative 1x.
And then, you know, other way around.
Okay, situations like that, I just prefer you actually leaving your answer as a fraction.
Got that. Hey, why
If you do answer it as a decimal, you'll still be right. Just make sure you do it to 3 decimal places.
Oh. That's sad.
Okay, so for this one, what should we do? There's no same base here. No, that's out. So it's exponential. Do we recognize that? So we should log it. Okay. So since we are going to apply the log, we got to do all the separation rules now. We're going to separate it. Why does that help us? Because we always know exponents from the top can move down, and that allows us to solve for them. So that's why we're doing it. Okay. How do you separate this side?
2.
Log 2 plus x log 7. The exponent x has nothing to do with the 2. Do you see that? The x is only attached to the 7. These got separated because it's this times 7 to the x. And on this side, so the next stage, I'm going to distribute that.
One day at a time. And like, it's gonna pay off. It's literally 1 month is left. It's not worth it.
Okay, I'm going to do some rearrangement stuff. Anything with an x in it, we're going one direction. Anything without an x, the other direction. So this, I will probably move there. This, I'm probably moving there. So again, anything with an x in it is together on the side. Everything without an x is together. Now that I've grouped x stuff together, I can take the x out of it. And that's what I have to type in. And somebody has my nice calculator, so let's see if I can type it in this one. I don't want to drop names though, Chris.
Whoa. Guys,
No, he's just telling, she's just telling.
This
you.
one is a brackety calculator, so now I'm going to have to just concentrate on all my brackets. Lots of you already have a bracket calculator. 15 and change if anybody's got there.
Where's he taking away from?
every test, I cut that thing wrong.
10.872. Yes.
This was my type with all my brackets. I got brackets.
I just did bracket the top.
How's that backwards going?
What is he doing?
X equals that?
He's still running.
Oh, so it's not in your typing. You
He's good.
are still enjoying your backwards calculator.
That is nuts.
Yeah, ain't no way he's enjoying that. Wait, what is it backwards? Like, what do you mean? What does he have to type to get it?
I don't even know what he would type out to get this. I would just give up.
Must make
That's
you
the
way
idea.
smarter, like.
He has to really type
It's like how we
things
speak
in
two languages.
correctly.
Sure, plug it all down there.
I think I should. He's
I'm
really
not gonna
battled
go
through
down
this.
anytime soon. 4 to 5 times later than you.
I thought I would laugh at
He did. He got it. Okay.
I'm 5 times stronger.
No, 5 times stronger. My brain's 5 times stronger than you.
Monthly payments of 50 bucks.
5 times more weight than yours could on the
So that's gonna go in the R spot.
Bro, imagine if your brain's like or something like that.
I want to get to $50,000. 1 plus I. So the interest. So this caught a few people. How do you do 3%? 0.03. But then you compound it monthly. So what do you have to do with the interest rate? Divide by 12. So that is what you use. So 0.03 divided by 12. To the n minus 1 over
The way we were talking.
I know, but you
over that.
still got it. Isn't that right?
Yeah, I do.
And then on
Not
the
100%.
Okay, some of you on your test mix the order here. There's an order you have to do. What do you want to do first to get rid of stuff?
Pretty much. Smart ass.
I could
You do a few times it by 1.
times by that, get rid of the divider. Then I could
Times by
divide by 50 to get rid of the times by 50.
plus 1.
Then I plus 1. If you plussed 1 before those, then it would come out wrong, right?
Three point five.
3.5?
Sorry. Yeah, Brock, what the hell? I'm seriously gonna have to go to a basketball game instead of studying for exams. Yeah. Yeah, well.
Yeah, look, I need that little break at lunch. Like, I did a test at lunch today. I had no break. It's just like,
Okay, so now
I can't focus this long.
we're in an exponential equation. Our variable is on the top in that exponent spot. You can't do any math. There's no other math operation. So how do you get the exponent to come down?
Log.
You log both sides, and then that helps us activate the rule to bring the n in the front.
That's all one. Plus. Yeah, I wish I was in grade 6 again.
Okay, so there's your type.
Because you're dividing by log all that.
That starts right there.
That's a difficult time.
So 501 and change. So let's see, what is the question here? Determine how many monthly payments of $50 would have to be deposited into the account. Ooh, this is a tricky question. How many payments of $50 would you make?
501.
Just 501. If they ask me how many payments I make, that's 502. 501 payments of $50, 502 payments altogether, but is your last payment $50? No, it's not. It's something else, something smaller, right? That's just all in the question, a little bit tricky.
Loser.
Yeah, that might actually be economics.
Yeah, that could be economics right there.